Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Today we start the renovation in our Fryazino apartment. That is the room about 15 square meters. And we are doing the renovation because of this damage. There was a leak, our roof leaks, and after the rain we saw this on our ceiling. So today our maintenance company will come and start the renovation. Sheffy? Sheffy? Say hello. This leak, guys, happened approximately 1 year ago, more than 1 year ago. Our maintenance company gave us 7,000 rubles approximately. That is about $100 to make the renovation in the whole room. So to paint the ceiling, to get rid of this yellow spot on the ceiling, to change wallpaper. That is $100, guys, for everything, with the work and with the materials, the final price. Can you believe it? So we said no, that is not enough. Here is approximately 40,000 rubles with work and with the materials, approximately 500 American dollars. That is approximate prices because now everything is so expensive, so the prices go up almost every day. Just to buy the wallpaper, approximately 10,000 rubles. $150, guys. That is just wallpaper, plus glue, plus, I don't know, the paint for the ceiling, plus some special liquids to get rid of that yellow spot on the ceiling, plus the work, guys. So if to do with your own hands, that will be of course for free. But as Alex is very angry with them, our roof leaks, guys, almost every year. And every year Alex did renovations here or there, so in the kitchen, in another room. So now he said, no, I will hire someone to do the renovation here. And they told him about 20,000 rubles for the work. And also the materials. So half a year ago it was 20,000 rubles. What will be now? So no one knows. And the maintenance company gave us 7,000 rubles, $100. That is, guys, very, very small money. We said no, do renovations yourself. So today they have to come and start the renovation. I will film everything for you, so as much as I can. As I have no ladder, guys, my ladder is at the dacha house, I could not take off the curtains. That is IKEA bed. It is so big, I don't know what to do with it, because if to turn it apart into some boards, I'm not sure that IKEA furniture is good to be put together for the second time, because it is done out of very cheap materials, and so the whole construction may fall apart. So we decided to leave it as is. As for the table, it is very heavy. This top is not from this table, that is Alex's construction. Also IKEA table, but the board, this yellow board, that is some extra board, because the table is small. I bought it for some other purpose, but then I decided to paint here, and the top was very small for me, so Alex put the new one here. It is very heavy. I don't know what to do with it, because I'm alone. I cannot move such heavy things. What to do with this door, guys, also not clear, because they think they may just buy 80 centimeters of such board, but guys, they have to find this exact color. How to do it, I don't know. Besides such boards, they sell in if I'm not mistaken, 2 meters. So 2-meter boards, how to buy 80 centimeters, so that is their problem. And that is, in Russian that is called plesень. They have to get rid of it first and then put the wallpaper. The room was leaking several times, and while the wallpaper was on the wall, we did not see these black spots. But, well, finally the wallpaper left, left the wall, and we saw this horrible picture. Maybe somewhere there we will see also some horrible things. I will have to remove this clock, and that is all. They have to come in about 25 minutes. They start at 9, they go to their office, the workers. There will be 2 girls. I'm not sure that they are highly qualified professionals because they look like, well, they are just schoolgirls. Approximately 16 or maybe 17 years of age, really very young. But well, if they think they can do it, let them do it. So guys, 11 o'clock at the moment, no workers. They promised to come at 9:30, now is 11. No one has come. I went to the local shop and bought raspberry. Here's about 2 pounds. 2 pounds for $3. And I bought plums. $1 for 2 pounds. 70 rubles. So 1 kilogram is about 2 pounds. Here everything is measured in kilograms. Kitty is coming. Here, Kitty, we have to go away from here for some time. Your bed will be occupied. Kitty, no one has come. In the morning we wanted to go to the pet clinic. Kitty has some medical supportive therapy, but we were waiting for the workers and they are not still here.